So video editing, one of the first things I look for is any jerky movements with the drone. I either cut those out or slow them down or warp stabilize them. This is with stabilization and without stabilization. Next, I adjust the framing and crop out so that I can kind of fill the frame with the image I want. Then I pick the audio to match from one of these audio services, and I decide if I want to do sound design, meaning do I want to incorporate all of the noises that I would usually hear in that atmosphere to make it a lot more immersive. Then I adjust the speed of the clips or cut them so that they match to the beat. Then I color correct all the clips. Then I color grade all the clips. Then I can add text to bring up certain points that you want to hit on, or if you want to do closed captioning, I can now do that automatically, and then I can go back and animate those captions. Adding text to your video really retains viewer attention. So all of these details you might not notice or think is that big of a deal whenever you're putting it all together little by little, but at the end, you'll definitely notice if something is off or missing. As far as you reviewing your videos, I really want you to be critical. Sometimes I turn over work whenever I'm kind of midway through it so that I don't spend a whole lot more hours going that direction if that's not the direction you want me to go. Editing can take 2 to 5 times as long as shooting. It depends on how polished you want, how complex it is, and the shooting conditions. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, always feel free to call or text me.